First, start by removing the wheel and placing it under the car as a fail-safe just in case the jack fails. Looking at the brake drum, you'll see two holes. These holes are usually threaded. Try to find bolts with the same size threads and screw one at each end. Using a spanner, you can start tightening the bolts, but do not tighten one bolt all the way to the end by itself. Do a little bit at a time on each bolt, moving back and forth in a zigzag mode until you see the brake drum slowly coming out. Once the drum starts to feel loose, you should be able to pull it out with your hands. Here you can see the old piston covered in oil. This means this old piston has been leaking for a very long time, as you can see the dirt and debris built up on it. You need to remove it and replace it with this new one. To install the new piston, you need to remove the brake shoes. To do that, you have to remove the bottom spring. It's a little bit tight, but with the pliers, you should be able to wedge them free. Now looking at the brake shoes, right in the middle, you see these spring-like washers. You need to grab them with the pliers and rotate them 90 degrees, and they will come free. There's one at each end. You have to remove both of them. Now you should be able to remove the shoes really easily. All you have to do is loosen the tension on the top spring. You can do that with the pliers. Sometimes they can come off without having to remove it, but other times you have to remove the top spring to do it. In this case, I didn't have to. You can see how they came out really easy just by opening them up. Now to remove the old piston, you need to disconnect the hydraulic line. You can do that by loosening the bolt that connects the hydraulic line to the piston. When you've finished unscrewing the bolt, now all you have to do is pull the line outward. It's a little bit tight, but with a bit of a force you can pull it out. Next, you need to remove the two bolts holding the piston into the main frame. Once you remove these two bolts, the piston should come out. Here you can see the old piston all covered in oil and dirt. This obviously has been leaking for a long time. To install the new piston, it's pretty much reverse of what you did removing the old one. Put it back in the same place and screw in the bolts that you removed. Just a quick note, before installing the new piston, make sure you wipe off the area after you remove the old piston, just to clean off the dirt and the old oil that was in there. Once you have finished installing the two bolts, you can now go ahead and install the hydraulic line, pushing it back in the hole and screwing in that nut. When screwing in the hydraulic line nut, make sure you don't make it super tight, otherwise you could risk shearing the nut off. What you need to do is tighten it just enough where it feels just right. Now you can go ahead and install the brake shoes. The best thing to do is assemble the whole thing on the ground, especially if this is your first time. That way you know where all the springs go, the top spring and the bottom spring. And then hold it up in front of the assembly and go ahead and install all the components one by one. Once you've finished installing all the components of the brake shoes, inspect everything. Make sure all the parts are connected properly, because once the brake drum is connected, you'll never be able to see it. When you've finished installing everything, you can now go ahead and bleed the lines. Connect a rubber hose to a small bottle and then loosen up the nut. Get someone to pump the brake and watch for bubbles. Once the bubbles stop flowing, you can go ahead and tighten the nut. And once you have finished tightening that nut, you can go ahead and remove the rubber hose. And when everything is finished, you can go ahead and install the drum assembly. And just like that, you are all done. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more DIY car repair videos like this, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification button if you want to be notified every time I upload a new video. Until then, see you next time.